Hi, welcome back. In our assignment 2, you are basically asked to do something that involves the usage of the comparison operator, okay, and the if-else statements that we have been using. Okay, so we are requested to ask the user to enter two numbers, okay, in the same line, okay. Uh, in this example, 5 and 7, 9 and 3, and after I capture both the numbers, I just print out which is the bigger number. So in this case 7 is the bigger number, so I say 7 is the bigger number. In this case I say 9 is the bigger number. Okay, so that is basically what I'm supposed to do for my code. Okay, so let's see how we can go about doing it. So I'm going to create a new file here, and first we're going to save it. Okay, so I go to my directory here, Python code. Okay, my assignment 2 py. Okay, so to capture two inputs in the same line, what I need to do is to say num1 comma num2. Okay, the two variables that I want to hold the input. So I say input here, and I say enter two numbers. And what I need to do after this, I need to put a dot split here. Okay, so in our earlier lesson we went through this. Okay, so the dot split, what it does is it looks for the white space between the two numbers that we key in and splits them into num1 and num2. Okay, and after that what we need to do is we need to convert them to integers. So we say num1 here and then num2 here. Okay, so now we have converted both the inputs to actual integer values, okay, which we can now compare. So to compare, basically we say that if num1 is greater than num2, then we can say print. Okay. In the past examples, we used to have a double quote and then we added the variable values in the later part. Okay, we can also do that in the first part. That means I can start off the print with a variable here. Okay, so num1, like I say, is the bigger number. Okay, and the other option is else print num2 is the bigger number. Okay, so basically what's going to happen here is I'm going to capture two numbers here, convert them to integers, and I'm going to compare. If num1 is greater than num2, then I'll print out that num1 is the bigger number. If not, I'll print out that num2 is the bigger number. Okay, so let's save it and run this code here. So I'm going to key in two numbers here, 3 and 4, and it says that 4 is the bigger number. Okay, so let's just try with the bigger number as the first input over here. Okay, so let's try that. Run module again. Okay, so now I'm going to say 9 and 7, and it says 9 is the bigger number. So as you can see, it basically compares the two inputs and it prints out the bigger number. Okay, so this is just a simple exercise just to make sure you understand and you sort of revise the usage of the split function here, as well as the casting, and of course the latest lessons on the if-else statements. Okay, so we're going to be expanding this code further in the coming exercises, okay, to make it even more comprehensive in the way it checks. Okay, so look out for that next lesson coming up soon. All right, thank you. Bye.